Good afternoon and welcome to Blindbuilds with Blind Prime. I'm your host, Blind Prime, and for today we're going to be building Braille Letter S. Yes, it's building Braille time. So if you wouldn't mind, please like, share, and subscribe. Ooh, wait, no, is that just please like and subscribe? Yeah, that's please like and subscribe. Haha, I said it right. So we've covered the A, the B, the C, the D, E. We've covered everything. Let's go down here to the K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. We're covering the S today. Yay, S. S is for snakes. S is for sandwiches. S is for salami. S is for serendipity. Ooh, yeah. S is for serenity. S is for savagery. Ooh. It's funny, all the words with S. You can get serenity and savagery out of S. That's a fun little duality right there. Okay, so for today's video, you're going to need a 3x2 plate, one 1x1 tile, one 1x1 stud, one 1x2 tile, and one 1x2 stud. And that will be making you the S. So let's get into it immediately. Let's go ahead and get our 3x2 plate out, or panel out, and go ahead and put our 1x1 tile in the top corner. Now, I don't like putting the tile first, but today is different. I just feel like it. And then we're going to put the 1x1 stud next to it in the number 4 position. So the tile goes in the 1, the stud goes in the 4. Now we're going to come down here to the 5 and the 6, and we're going to put a tile, the 1x2 tile in the 5 and 6 positions. And finally, we're going to come over here and we're going to put the 1x2 plate in the 2 and the 3 positions. All right, once more on the tabletop so that you can lay, looking down at it. All right, it's in front of us. Top left-hand corner is the number 1 position. Bottom right-hand corner is the number 6 position. And top right-hand corner is the number 4 position. And bottom left-hand corner is the number 3 position. Just to give you an idea of what we're doing. So first off, we're going to put the stud in the number 4 position in the top right-hand corner. Next step, we're going to get our, where's our tile? Where's our tile? Tile, come here. There it is. So now we're going to get our, I went ahead and collected the other tile too. Now we're going to get our other tile. Our 1x1 tile. We're going to put it in the 1 position. And now we're going to get our 1x2 tile that I just picked up, and we're going to put it in the 5 and the 6 positions. And finally, we're going to get our 1x2 plate, and we're going to put it on the left-hand side in the 2 and the 3 positions. Boom, just like that. And when you get all of these S's together, you get snake jazz. Okay. Thanks for watching today's video, and please, I hope you all are checking out SDCC this weekend. Lots of cool stuff coming out. I will be back tomorrow with something. I haven't exactly decided what, but it's probably just going to be an SDCC breakdown video or something akin to that. I know I had an idea this morning, but it slipped my mind at the moment, sadly. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video, and we are moving right along with the S's, and we will be finishing this alphabet up sooner rather than later. We are already well past the halfway mark, and then we're going to get into Nemeth code math. Yay, math! I'm being very sarcastic with that, but not really, because math is what makes the world go round. We need math, don't we, Sugar Cat? Yes, we do. Thanks for watching. Until next Prime, bye-bye for now.